The StewMac Vise. Who does not love that thing? I think I've wanted that thing since I saw it in like 2012 or something. I don't know, 2013 maybe? I don't know, somewhere around there. That is a sweet piece of machinery right there. So what's this? Unfortunately, it's like $183 plus shipping. Yeah, anyway, it's like a $200 plus tax now. It's like a $200 plus item. You know, probably like for me, $215 I think was the. So here we go. What's this? The Grizzly pattern maker's carving vise. I'm gonna be doing a lot of upgrades to the shop in the next couple weeks because I'm gonna be here for a while. So yeah, see that? Oops. There we go. $129 on Grizzly. Look, I love those guys at StewMac. But dude, I got this for $143 shipped. You know? I mean, I love those. I buy stuff there all the time. I mean, they're great. But some of the stuff is like kind of expensive, man, when you can get the same thing elsewhere. So, let's open this up and see what it is. YouTuber I should be thanking. Yeah. Some English dude. I like him. I watch him all the time. I should know his name. Anyway, he got this Vise. I had seen it, right? And, you know, because for a long time I didn't know this existed, you know. And then I'm like, oh dude, there's so many other kind of products that also just kind of slap their name on it. High price tag. I might not use it. So why not this Vise as well? And there it is. Alright, let's get it out of the box here. This thing weighs 33 pounds. Apparently. I don't doubt it. That's all that's in the box. And some grease. Alright. I have grease on this thing all the time. So why not? That is nice. That is real nice. Yeah. I mean, if you don't got $220, you know, this is a nice fucking, you know, option here. I mean, it's basically not red, and it doesn't have the same handle, you know. Like, yeah, that feels nice. I don't know if it's like ball bearing or anything like that, but whatever. It's nice enough for me. Close enough to rock and roll, as my friend Shane always says. So there it is. Oops. Oh, well. So, guessing the wrench. Yeah, what? I need to supply my own wrench? My God. Whatever, don't laugh. This is just what I have handy. You can laugh. I think I want to repaint this anyway. But for now, there we go. Man, that's a nice piece. Oh, that's smooth. That is beautiful. Pattern Maker's Vise. Yep. Gotta put some padding on here. These are soft and nice, and don't get me wrong, they're good. They are on there very well, but they're not going to be soft enough to hold my guitars and stuff. So, I guess I could get some Vise straws, but these aren't really metal, so it wouldn't work. A little paint got off. Oh no, there we go. Oh, just the initial. Made in Taiwan, in case you were wondering. So I can get that on there. Whoa. Yeah. Made in Taiwan. Alright, good story. Alright, well, folks, I'm gonna go set this up. I'll do a video when I have it set up. And we'll have some fun with it. Alright.